Usually students find it difficult to solve, at least the first time around. My suggestion, is to solve these again and again so that these kind of questions start making sense. And you'll have to practice these questions. Same question again and again, at least 3 to 4 times, and then they'll make sense. So let's start. So if x plus 1 upon x is equal to find values of x square plus 1 upon x square, x4 plus 1 upon x4. So see, before we go ahead, we would be looking at the expansions. So we understand that x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. We understand this expansion. We have already crammed this expansion. Now just replace this y by 1 upon x. 1 upon x. So the expansion will become something like this. X plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square, and this is where the strange thing happens. So this is 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 by x. This term and this term cancel. We are left with 2 only. So x plus 1 upon x whole square would be equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Now this is the expansion that we'll be using, that x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. This is also written, at times this is also written like find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So we need to remember that x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square would be equal to x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2. Where does this come from? This comes from the same expansion. The only thing that I do is I take this 2 on this side. So x square plus 1 upon x square would be equal to x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2. X square plus 1 upon x square would be equal to x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2. So this is the expansion that we will be using to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. And once we have found the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, similarly we'll find the value of x4 plus 1 upon x4. So let's start. Question number 11. So question number 11. Now I'm given the value of x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5. So x plus 1 upon x whole square would be equal to 25. X square plus 1 upon x square would be equal to 25 minus 2. Why minus 2? Because this 2 will come on the right hand side. So the value of x square plus 1 upon x square would be equal to 23. And this next question was that find the value of x4 plus 1 upon x4. Similarly, what I'll do is I'll square both sides. So this would be x square plus 1 upon x square whole square is equal to 23 square. So this would be x4 plus 1 upon x4 plus 2. Why? Because x square multiplied by 1 upon x square, this will cancel. So I'll be left with 2. So x4 plus 1 upon x4 plus 2 would be equal to 529. 23 square is 529. So x4 plus 1 upon x4 would be equal to 527. Where do I get 527? 529 minus 2 would be equal to 527. So this is how question 11th is done. This is how question 11th is done. This is how question number 11th is done. If you look closely at question number 12, x minus 1 upon x is equal to root 3. Find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square and x4 plus 1 upon x4. So these two kind of questions are the same. What we need to do is here we expanded, we squared both sides. X plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 25. Here also we'll have to use the same squaring methods. We'll be squaring both sides. X minus 1 upon x whole square would be equal to root 3 square. And this is, so to find this value of x square plus 1 upon x square, the same expansion like we did before. So x minus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. So here x square minus 1 upon x square would be equal to x minus 1 upon x whole square plus 2. Where did this plus 2 come from? This minus 2 will go to the left hand side. So this minus 2 will become, so this is what we are seeking, x minus 1 upon x whole square plus 2. This is what we want. So let's look at the solution of question number 12. So x minus 1 upon x is equal to root 3, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. X minus 1 upon x whole square would be x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. Where did I get this expansion? I got this expansion using this one. X minus 1 upon x whole square. You make this better. So x minus 1 upon x whole square would be equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. So this is the expansion that I am using. Squaring both sides, x square plus 1 upon x square. X square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 would be equal to root 3 square, which is equal to 3. So the value of x square plus 1 upon x square would be 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. And so the first part of the question number 12, if you see, find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, and then we have to find the value of x4 plus 1 upon x4. So the first part of question, x square plus 1 upon x square, the value is 5. And similarly, I square both sides. X square plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 5 square is equal to 25. Again, when I expand this, if you look closely, this would be x4 plus 1 upon x4 plus 2 x square multiplied by 1 upon x square is equal to 25. Again, this will cancel. So I'll be left with something like this. I'll be left with something like this, that x4 plus 1 upon x4 plus 2 is equal to 25. Therefore, x4 plus 1 upon x4 would be equal to 23. 25 minus 2 is 23. So this is how these kind of questions are done. I hope this makes sense now. And let's go to the next questions. So the next question are also, these two questions are of the same type, question number 13 and 14. Let's start these now.